want to explain about introduction company background, which is PA Resources Berhad. PA Resources Berhad was established in Malaysia under the Companies Act 1965. On 1st September 2004, the company was incorporated as a private limited liability company. On 28 April 2005, the company was converted to a public traded company on 18 April 2006. It was listed on the second board of Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad. On 23 July 2007, PA was successfully transferred listed on the main board Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad. PA operates as a group of companies that engage in a wide range of activities. PA smelting is an upstream activity that casts billets from ingots and scraps. PA extrusion is a midstream activity that extrudes aluminium profiles and sends them downstream to an anodizing and fabrication department.
According to comparative analysis between FTSE, which is Financial Times Stock Exchange, and PA Resources, the stock of FTSE has moving upward on early July, and there is just slightly moving upward on the end of the month. As for stock PA Resources, from early July, there is moving upward until the end of the month. For the new year, for the stock of FTSE, there is moving downward from the yearly month of January 2021 for a month. Meanwhile, for the PA Resources, there is only slightly moving downward, and after half of month, there is moving upward until the end of the month.
Based on the chart given, uptrend for PA Resources Berhad take place in the second week of October 2020 and ends on the second week of May 2021. In the case of an uptrend, trader can buy the shares when the candlestick touches the uptrend line. In addition, if the candlestick breaks the uptrend line, it means the support turning into resistance. Once the price breaks below a support level, the broken support level can turn into resistance and give trader signal for sell. Based on the chart given, downtrend for PA Resources Berhad occurs in second week of May 2021 and ends on third week of May 2021. In the case of a downtrend, traders can sell the shares when the candlestick touches the downtrend line. Furthermore, the downtrend for PA Resources only lasts for a few days and continues with uptrend. Between August 2020 to October 2020, the trend goes sideways, referred to the trough as support, while the peak is referred as resistance. When the candlestick touches support, it signals to trader that they should buy the stock. Once when the candlestick touches resistance, it indicates to trader that they should sell the shares.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Fatin Fatihah. I will explain about price pattern. The stock that we choose is PA Resources. In the chart, as you can see, on February, patterns of continuations occurs when the movement price of stock is tighter, consolidation range, and bullish continuations pattern occurs before and after pattern. The stock of price breakout above of resistance. After that, the price of stock will rise. Thank you. That's all from me.
For technical overlay that consists double simple moving average, 20-day and 50-day as the chart shown. By applying crossover rule, here we can spot black circle for dead cross and yellow circle for golden cross. Dead cross also interpret as sell signal, where the stock short-term moving average crosses below its long-term moving average. Meanwhile, golden cross as buy signal crosses above its long-term moving average.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Fatin Fatihah. This time I will explain MACD. Based on PA Resources, chart 12 days EME and 26-day EME of MACD lines in blue and single line 9-day EMA of MACD line in red. Okay, both line is indicator of MACD. In early November, a bullish center line crossover when the MACD line moved above the single line. In December 2020, January 2021, bearish occurred because the MACD line crossed below the single line. At last trading, as you see it in whole situation, because it is uncertain whether it bearish or bullish, and MACD line and single line in the same line.
For rate of change or ROC is a leading signal that gives advance warning to buy or sell the stock, also to define overbought and oversold level. Based on the chart, black arrow indicate buy signal, meanwhile, red arrow indicate sell signal. Buy signal is when the ROC is less than 0 and it crosses above the 0 line, then breaks oversold level. For example, in September 2020, the ROC line has reached oversold level, assumed at negative 11%, then move above the 0 line. Next, sell signal is when ROC is more than 0, then crosses below the 0 line or breaks the overbought level. As we can see, on February 2021, the ROC line has break overbought level, assumed at 32%, then move below the 0 line. So here, traders should sell their stock.
According to the chart, it shows PA with 40-day RSI has become oversold, which is the RSI drops below 30 in middle of the March 2021 and then move up and crosses over the oversold line in April. On the yearly August, there is overbought, which is the RSI goes above 70 and then move down and crosses below the overbought line in September. On middle of September, when RSI has crosses over, this indicates the stock has reverses its prior bear trend. As for middle of December, it indicates that the stock has reverses its prior bull trend.
PA Resources was trading from 1st July 2020 until 2020 June 2021, dips below 21 of oversold condition that could foreshadow a bounce. Refer green arrow to identify buy signal. As we can see, for PA Resources, the trader can buy shares on September and January, same goes to March and May. The oscillator can move below 20 and sometimes remain below 20. Additionally, the oscillator is both oversold and weak below 20. A move above 20 is needed to show an actual upturn and successful support test. Move above 81 of overbought condition that could foreshadow a decline. Refer red arrow to identify sell signal. As we can see, for PA Resources, the trader can sell their shares at the beginning of July and August. Same goes to end of October and February. Notice how the oscillator can move above 80 and remain above 80. Furthermore, the indicator is both overbought and strong when above 80. A subsequent move below 80 is needed to signal some sort of reversal or failure at resistance.
In conclusion, all indicators involved has indicated that the PA chart has bearish starting from May 2021 until June 2021 that causes to a downtrend. Finally, we all agree and recommend to hold the stock for a time being before there is a sign for buy signal to occur again. Therefore, the traders or investors can maximize return and also can reduce risk.